this is why we took off the head. You can see right here, this right here is a broken stud. So that, and then this one right here. You can't really see it, but it's broken. Yeah, we're gonna work it and see if she comes out, if we can get it out. If we can't get it out, then we're gonna have to just get a different head. But yeah, we'll give it a shot and see what it does. I'll show you guys here in a little bit. Okay, so we tried taking the bolts out of the head, and that did not work out. They were not gonna come out. So what we did is we brought the head over here. We just set it down right here, and we're just gonna let it rest right there for now. And we're just gonna look the other way and leave it there. And then over here, we found another head right here. This one, but it's the later style. So has a different oiling system. So what we did is we took the rocker box off, and then I found this rocker box right here. This is an older style. So it has these bolts. We work for the earlier style oil lock. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slap this on top of there, and then I don't know the condition of the head, but it looks fine. So we're just gonna chance it like that, and then put that head on there, and then send it. So we'll get started on that. Okay, so here we have the other side of the head, and let's look at the cylinder walls. They're all right. They're not the best shape. Kind of missing the cross hatching a little bit, so it's not too bad. So yeah, it should be fine. So let's go over here where the head's at. Here we got the head. So all we did was just change the glow plugs because it had the longer style glow plugs. Took those out and put some other ones. And we got a little problem right here. You can see here's a bolt that's broken off right here, so we're gonna have to, I don't think we're gonna be able to take it out. We lost that battle last time, so what we'll do is we'll look for another rocker or bed rocker box and switch it out. So we'll do that and then we'll throw it back in there. Okay, we got our new rocker box on. She's a little rusty, but it'll do. So she's ready to go back in. We're gonna go ahead and slap her back on there and get her ready. So we're gonna take it out for a test drive and let's see how it builds boost or not. Okay, looks like it's building some boost.